Hello, this is Ruth Owens. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Mendeley and begin setting up an account. Mendeley is a citation management tool that allows you to collect citation information and PDFs in one place. You can then organize these papers and easily cite them in your writing and generate bibliographies. Mendeley also has some neat social features that allow you to use groups to collaborate on papers and share citations and papers with others. In this video, I want to show you how to create an account. First, you need to go to mendeley.com and click Create Free Account. Then follow the prompts to set up your account. I already have an account set up, so I'm going to sign in. With a free account, you have 2 gigabytes of free storage space. If you need more space, you can purchase more at a later date. Mendeley has several components. One is the web version, which once you've set up an account like we just did, you can see that. If you go to Library, that's where you will see any of the papers and documents that you have imported into Mendeley. Right now I don't have any in here because I am setting up a new account to show you. In future videos, I will show you how to import documents. But 2 other crucial components to Mendeley are the Mendeley Desktop application, which you will also need to download to your personal laptop or computer. There is also a web importer for your browser. I will show you in separate videos how to download and use both of these components. The real power of Mendeley is in the desktop application and the web importer for your browser. The desktop application and the web version do sync, so you can see the same thing in both places. So thank you for watching this video, the brief introduction to Mendeley, and stay tuned for more videos on how to use Mendeley.